I'm Sean from 507 Creative. We're here in the finishing room for our first clothing line. We started as a community space and coffee bar, put on a music festival, and now we're taking our creativity and our community to the next level. What started out as just a coffee shop turned into community, creativity, and that is something that we really wanted to expand on. This first capsule celebrates how creativity can inspire a societal revolution. We were equally inspired to start a clothing line that met our style needs, that we could afford, and that was actually good for the environment, that was sustainable for local communities, and that was inspired by the Southern California that we love. Hi, my name is Sean McCarthy, and myself and my wife Amber started 507. In our early 20s, we noticed that our community was in need of a gathering space that was open after 8 p.m. and a spot that really celebrated the creativity of Southern California. After years of struggling, we finally opened to the public. The name 507 represents something that's super important to us because it parallels our steps and our stages of opening up our business in Thousand Oaks, which is our hometown. We're passionate about California, especially Southern California, where we live. There were so many ideas: coffee, food, live music, local art on the walls. And now, for our first ever clothing line, it's partnering with brands like IndieSource and local sewers and stitchers and dyers right here in Los Angeles. We came in that first day, we had our first iteration of sketches, and our project manager took us through the process, laid out what that roadmap, what the path would look like from a sketch to a final product. We got to be involved in every step of the process as our tech pack was created and finalized. We had our first fitting a couple months later, and they followed our sketches to the T, and we looked like The Incredibles, or maybe an off-Broadway version of The Incredibles. So back to the drawing board, we honed in on what we liked, and we segmented away and skirted away from what we didn't like, and were able to create a better version for that second try-on. We went through so many iterations, fittings, try-ons, building those tech packs together, and the final product is coming together and looking, ooh, so nice. One reason that we love supporting local is that there's a certain transparency. You know who's working on your projects, you know where that money is going, you know it's being invested back into the community that you call home. For us, we were so stoked to make that happen with our own first capsule and clothing line. Create Revolution, Capsule 0.5. We have been so inspired by the process of creating it, and we know when you try this on, you walk into the coffee bar, you're walking through life, that you'll create revolution too. We hope that you are inspired to create revolution in whatever it is you care most about. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at 507 Creative, and you can get all this line at the507.com. Thanks, guys.